Hello and welcome to this Year 7 video on Meat-Free Monday, the Kitchen Samba. So we have our drumsticks, stroke chopsticks. We're taking them out of the piece of paper, we're putting the piece of paper down. When the teacher's speaking, we're putting them like this so that we don't get tempted to play in the wrong place. If they're like this, it's very hard to do it accidentally. So if you are doing this, you're doing the wrong thing, you've made the wrong choice. So we've got a number of patterns to play. The first one is like this. It's the anchor beat. It goes. So you can think long, 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 short, short, long, 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 short, long, 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 short, short, long, long, short, short. The next beat is a pattern of 8. So count to 8, play every time you say a number, but to make it interesting, we need to put a stress on 1, 4 and 7. So we go like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 4, 7. 1, 4, 7. 1, 4, 7. 1, 4, 7. The next one is in the gaps. This is called syncopation. If you play in between the main beats, you are being syncopated. Syncopation. It goes 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Final one is the hardest one of all and the fastest one of all. So if you started too fast with your anchor beat, this one becomes almost impossible. It goes. And when we finish playing, separate them out. Again, when your teacher's talking, you can't accidentally play if you have your chopsticks like this. Okay, the good thing about the Kitchen Samba, if you're not in school, you're probably at home, maybe learning from home today, and you can use anything you can find in your kitchen. Make sure you ask your parents first, don't get in trouble. So here's a pair of wooden spoons, so we're going long, 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 short, short, long. Then we're going 1, 4, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. In the gaps. The hard one. And separate them out. Okay. Worst case scenario, you probably have your pencil case somewhere. Pens. Oh, lost the lid. And dot in there. Okay. All of these patterns are called ostinato patterns, or ostinato. That means short repeating pattern. So ostinato, short repeating pattern.